Hey guys, welcome to Trade Confident. I'm going to kind of do just a kind of a chill update here, but I want to go really deep into the analysis. We're going to take a look at the emotional index, long versus short trades, market cap strength, trades in favor, well and institutional, smart money. Take a look at the metrics of what we can expect to happen. I'm going to show you guys some secret places in the market. Some of you guys may know this, but there are some areas that the price loves to respect, and we're already respecting one, and we could be seeing a bigger drop than most people think. I think a lot of people think it's just going to go straight to the moon, but I don't think so. I'll show you guys some things I'm looking at. Guys, we're currently sitting at 116 wins and 0 losses. We won our 16th win on Shiba. Guys, Shiba Inu is taking off. We also just locked in another 13.23% profit on Luna. That trade is officially closed. And like I told you guys, every time we end up closing a trade, I will show you exactly where to get the new buy limits so you guys can enter back in. So great job for those of you guys who are back into Luna. So if you guys want to trade with us, there's a link in the description to join our membership. Make sure you guys do that. We literally have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. Here's our pricing. I'll do this real quick. 116 wins, 0 losses, $95 a month is all you guys are paying. You're going to get access to all the metrics that I'm going to show you today. Telegram channel for entries and exits. All the master classes are yours, and we're going to be going live on Zoom April 14th all together as a family. This is a really fun place to be. All right, guys, let's go over Bitcoin. Let me talk about this real quick. I'll make this fast because I want to show you guys some levels that I'm looking at. We have an indicator sell. I'll show you this to you guys today. Price to swell, money flow, trend exhaustion, trend dashboard, all of our indicators in the bundle pack. They're 84% off. You guys have literally about 48 hours left. This is going to be going up tomorrow at on Thursday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Some of you guys in Australia are getting very close to that 48-hour mark. So make sure you guys just click this in the description, use coupon code MARCH, and you guys will be able to snag that. Okay, let's dive in here. You guys are seeing Bitcoin at a very strong level right now that I don't know if a lot of people are realizing this. So let's start here. As far as retail traders go, most of their indicators are bullish, and that's fantastic. But this is where I'm looking for institutions to start shorting this market pretty quickly. Trend exhaustion is in the top red section as well as well money flow. When well money flow gets into a high section, it is where the whales like to look to start selling their positions. You can see this over here. Once it gets high, we saw a drop there, we saw the drop here, we saw a drop here, and we are seeing this coincide with drops in the market over here. When this happened, we ended up pushing down into a bear market cycle. A bear market trend is what you can call that, okay? When we start getting these higher levels, you need to be watching for the market to drop back down. When trend exhaustion is high as well, this is a double confirmation that you need to watch for drops back down in Bitcoin. These are the indicators we're talking about, guys, and we've literally got 116 wins in a row without losing a trade because these are so accurate. Make sure you guys do snag these in the description because I'm going to be upping the price of them in 2 days. What I want to show you guys with this is I want to take you to the daily time frame right now, and I'm going to show you guys some secrets in the charts that you may not, maybe some of you guys know this, maybe not. Look at how ridiculously high the trend exhaustion is in well money flow. Last time we got here, what happened? We saw a massive drop in Bitcoin. Let me give you guys a percentage so you guys can kind of assess your accounts and see if you guys are comfortable with this. Are you okay with a possible 24% drop back down in Bitcoin? I know there's a lot of people saying, oh, we're just going to go to the moon. But that's not what happened last time. Let me show you guys the previous time before that. We had in the top red section of well money flow is high. That was up around this extension over here. And then we ended up pushing into a bear market trend. Okay. The previous time before this, we got a move up here. We got the move up here. Yes, it overextended itself and then eventually moved back down, but it created divergence the entire time. While money flow moving out, while price was moving up, that created the drop back down. Now let me take this even further. I want to show you guys over here what's called the moving average. And I want to show you guys the most important moving average, which is the 200-day moving average. Okay, let's come over here and let's come over there. Let's put the chart at a 200. Again, I'm going to show you guys a lot of stuff in this video. We are sitting exactly on the daily time frame. You can see this here. Here's the daily time frame. We dropped at the 200-day moving average. This is going to act as a resistance on the chart. With a 200 moving average here, with well money so high, with trend exhaustion so high, this is a place where the market is normally going to be moving back down. Okay, you guys need to be aware of that. Let's take this even further. Let's go to the S&P 500 right now, and let's take a look if we're at any strong resistances. Yes, we are. This is a very strong resistance we're pushing up to right now, which is the psychological level in the quarters theory level of 450. Okay, a S&P 500 move up this fast needs to have some type of correction back down. Also, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high on the S&P. Okay, let's take it Even a step further now. Let's go over to the metrics, and I want to talk to you guys about this. Let's get this on the daily time frame because I want to look at a few things because the metrics are actually on the daily time frame. Emotional index is in the excited area. The 1, 2, 3, 4 last times we got up here, we saw massive drops in the market. Okay, we're talking pretty big drops. Drops enough to make people concerned that they're going to be losing a decent amount of money. Those are these drops we're talking about right here and right here, okay? This is a bearish sign. Let's continue down. Long versus short trades. This is honestly a little bullish in my opinion, but not incredibly bullish. But let's not be biased here. Let's just kind of just dive into the charts. While this is sitting close to the 200-day moving average, long trades are increasing, but short trades are increasing as well. Okay, this is a tug of war that's going on right now. Now, I know I've been bearish in this video forecast so far, and it is true. A lot of the metrics and indicators are bearish. Let me show you this to you guys. You guys, we literally have been able to call like the last 5 to 6 market cycles. And you're like, how's that possible? Watch this. As price action heads up and the actual market cap strength moves down, this is a precursor for a drop. Price action moved down, market cap moved up. We saw a precursor for a move back up. Price action up, market cap down. What do you expect next? A drop. Price action down, market cap moving up. What do you expect? A pump. Price action moving up, market cap moving down. What do you expect? A drop. Do you see the secrets behind the charts that maybe no one's showing you online? Okay. Do you see this right now? Price action going up, market cap is moving down. Okay, let's get in here a little bigger so you guys can see this. During this duration, this is what's called a high and a lower high formation. Market cap is moving out of Bitcoin while price action is moving up. The last 4, 5, 6 times, we can call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Looking for the 7th time here. We probably are going to see a little bit of a drop back down. Let's move down. Trades in favor is sitting into the good short trade area. So here's what's going to happen here. We're either going to have a lot of people come out here who are convinced this market's going to drop because they see the signs in here and they're going to take short trades out and they most likely will drop the price back down. My personal opinion is we're at least going to come back down to this structure right here. Here's your support, everybody. It's right around 4,250. My apologies. 42,550. Hanging on the Ethereum charts too much. 42,550. That's the first support that I'm looking at, okay? If we start breaking down, we need to be watching that. As far as well and institutional smart money, these guys have been coming out here and looking for the short trades all along. They dropped the price when it came back over here up to the daily. We saw that drop back down. That's great. Now we're looking at this over here on Bitcoin. As we start moving up into these top areas, this is this move right here. We need to be watching for this to possibly see a move back down. They're shorting over here because I bet a lot of retail traders are in the market and they're thinking this is just going to go to structure high up here and they see $70,000 and they're like, it's just going to go there. No, it's not. It's not going to go there, guys. It will see a pullback. The question is how big of a pullback? It's looking at this metric here. The first the support is at 45,000. I'm going to round it to 45. I know it says 45,143, but $45,000. Let's take a look at 45. 45 just puts us right around this area. It's just this structure high right there. Let me get back to the 4-hour time frame so we can dive into this just a little bit deeper so we can see this. Okay, as far as they move back down, yes, we're in the profit about 2.79%, but I'm looking at it to come back down to here, and then after that, like I told you guys, look at the support right around this area. Now, as far as a move up, guys, if we can break $50,000, this is going to be probably a very, very bullish market. So if a break happens at 50,000, what will happen to the 200-day moving average? Do you guys remember? It will be broken. We will have price structure above the 200, which a price structure above the 200, let me show this to you guys on here. It's what's called an actual golden cross, not just price structure, but the 50 has to get above the 200. So right now we are technically in what's called a death cross, where the 50 moving average is below the 200-day moving average. When the 50 starts moving up above the 200, this is technically what's called a golden cross. And when this happened last time, it pushed Bitcoin into a very nice pump up, and we actually ended up hitting the all-time high, which you can see over here at around $70,000. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So a break above 50,000, watch that this week. It's going to get crazy. Okay, dollar cost average entries, you guys are doing great here for the move up. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup right now. This is how we've won all of our trades. all 116. Here's what I'm considering doing for those of you guys watching this video and those of you who are in here. I am personally not in this coin. I'm in literally every other coin except for Bitcoin because I believe the other coins can give me more USD, and USD is what I'm acquiring, and that's what I'm going for, okay? Currently in the count, let's see if this can update here in time. We're about $3,000. I mentioned you guys, this is going to drop back down. It needs to for a healthy drop. I wouldn't doubt if we go below 150. I'm totally okay with that. It needs to drop back down to be healthy for a move back up. Bitcoin. I'm going to look to probably exit this guy probably right around here of about 5 to 6%. The reason for this is if this comes dropping back down, we've already hit our third buy limit on here. I would rather exit here, get us back into a trade and use 4 different buy limits and then have really good risk management in case the market starts dropping down really fast. This could drop back down. Yes, guys, I know this is like not favorable for a lot of you to think about, but yes, it could drop back down to 35,000. What evidence do you have out there that proves to you that it's not going to drop back down to 35,000? You have nothing that 100% proves it. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube and maybe ever in the history of trading crypto, and I'm not even positive. Like, I'm seeing the metrics here, and overall, guys, there are more metrics and indicators showing a drop is coming than a continuation back up. Okay? And like I said, I'm preparing for this to go below 150. Okay, I'm preparing to lose $3,000 to $7,000 within the next like 3 to 4 days because I do think a correction is due. Here's how you trade with us. This is literally the live trade setup you can take right now. Choose the amount that you guys want to enter each of our trades with. Say it's $1,000. Split that into 250, 4 equal portions. Place 250 at each of the yellow lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green right up there. Okay, I moved this up pretty high, and just in case we explode. If we break 50,000, a lot of institutions, a lot of banks, they're going to be looking at Bitcoin and they're going to think that's going to be a bullish sign. A psychological level above 50,000, guys, could make us extremely bullish. But until then, we're probably going to see a nice drop back down. All right. Once you guys are in this trade, follow me in Telegram. You guys literally can copy every single trade that I take. Not a single person who's ever joined our membership has ever lost a trade. And not only that, like, it's awesome to never lose trades. But what's even more awesome than that, honestly, is like how much money people are actually making. The indicators, I'll end this video kind of with this here, guys. This guy did $43,000 profit with the indicators. $1,200 using 2 indicators, trend exhaustion, price for swell, money flow. $4,000 plus in 24 hours. This isn't that long ago. This is actually a pretty recent testimonial, you guys can see. $2,200 in the last 7 days. $20,000 in cryptos and stocks with what? The trend exhaustion, price for swell, money flow. Guys, these indicators are the cheapest you will ever get them. It is the cheapest. We will never have our indicators lower than this price. This is the rock bottom price because it's just ridiculous. So click in the description. You guys will actually be taken to this page over here, which is called indicators. Click this link. And then on the coupon code page, when you go check out, March. Capitalize it, lowercase, does not matter. This sale is literally, for some of you guys, ending in 48 hours because it's going to be ending on the 31st. In Australia, you're already on the third. You're already in tomorrow in Australia for all of our Australia clients. So you guys definitely snag this because I am going to be upping the price literally in 2 days here. Thursday. So today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday, and then Thursday. I'll be upping it at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Thursday. So you guys know. So make sure you snag that. You'll get access to all 9 of our indicators, as well as the 3 that you absolutely need, which is the ones we trade with right here. It's on my charts every single video. And you guys want to snag this. Lifetime access, guys. I give you the source code. This is not where you guys, some people come on, they give you guys access on TradingView. What happens if that account gets banned? Or what happens if that creator dies and you guys can't get access to your indicators anymore and TradingView shuts them down? This is why I literally give you guys, I know it sounds like I don't be like sad or anything, but like if I die, Jesus takes me to heaven, I want you guys to have what you paid for. So you literally get the source code to the indicators so you can have them on your desktop and load them on TradingView whenever you want. So nobody can take them away from you. They're so powerful and people are making tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, some people, with our indicators in here. And it's been pretty awesome to see. And literally, you guys have a chance right now to snag this and you have 2 days left and we will be upping the price. It's actually a better sale than our last Black Friday sale last year. So that's how crazy we're kind of pushing this out here. Why am I doing this? Because the market's low. You guys need to start making money in the markets. Your accounts are down. I understand that. Why not create cheap indicators so you guys can actually have this in here to help you win more money? We make enough with the indicator sales. I don't mean to keep talking about this a lot, but we literally have the highest selling and the highest rated product on all of Gumroad.com, our partner company, Gumroad.com. We have the highest rated and the highest selling product on all of Gumroad for education, trading, as well as indicators. So here you guys go. Literally, it's $2,223 worth of indicators. You guys are going to get it for $399. Use the coupon code, and you're going to get an extra $50 off, which makes this literally the best deal that we've ever ran. We have pretty much a 5-star rating, 126 reviews, and I think we have like over 3,000 purchases on this. It's not to like show off or anything like that. I know this is cheap because we help a ton of people make a lot of money. So anyways, just want to point that out, guys. All right, God bless you so much. Watch Bitcoin for a drop back down. Allow your accounts, for all of you guys who are trading with over $100,000, I'm okay if we see a $10,000 drop in our balance in the next 7 days. It's not going to be surprising to me whatsoever. Let it drop. A healthy drop is what we need for a continuation up to hit $70,000 before the end of the year. My target, guys, is $70,000 by the end of the year. It's not $150,000. It's not $100,000. It is $70,000. Simple structure, high formation. All right? I know you guys are probably, well, if you are, you're gone. You don't even hear me saying this. But a lot of you guys who have logged off this video already, that's fine. If you want to stay here and look at this, one more thing, let me show you this. Here's a 1-2 impulse wave, followed by a drop and a little bit of a correction. Here's a 1-2 impulse wave, followed by a drop and a correction. This pattern has already played out before. And the last time this happened, we went to structure high. Structure high is at 70,000 and it technically went higher. So some people, I know they're looking at this and this is what they're actually looking at right here. So let me give you more if you guys want to see this. If you take the high of this trend and you go to the low of this trend, but right around this area, you know, arguably, I guess we can call this down here. Literally, I've never showed this to you guys before. So if you're staying around here, then you're getting a lot of extra stuff. Take the high and take the low. I understand this isn't like the most fantastic way of pulling a fib. I get it. But a retracement here of 50% could be targeting us to the 1.6, which if I had my most aggressive prediction for this year, it would probably be right at $110,000 by the end of the year. But that is a very aggressive move up for the 1.6 extension. Just letting you guys know, because the crypto does like to play out with these retracements and extensions. You take the high here, you take the low over here, look exactly where Bitcoin stopped, right at the 50% golden zone, and then it started moving back up. Interesting. So guys, overall, my prediction, Bitcoin, probably going to see a drop here within the next 3 to 4 days. And then after that, we will see a drop down and then a nice healthy higher low formation for a move back up. That's my official call, guys. Stay confident, get the indicators. Those are going to be on sale today, obviously, and they're going to be going up in a couple days. And then guys, get the membership over here because this literally is going to help you guys win. Possibly, you'll probably never lose a trade again in crypto. And our account is just continually going up in this bear market. I know it's like we were going down right now, but like you need to understand, a lot of people right now who got in back here are still down 40 to 50%, and our account is actually up right now. So as people start getting back into the profit here, and they start getting back to where they FOMO'd in, we will have done tens of thousands of dollars of profit. Okay, it's going to be pretty awesome. So guys, hope you really enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you feel like you liked anything in this video. It means the world to me if you guys do. I'll keep this content coming out. But guys, join the Telegram channel, get into some trades, look at the metrics, watch all the master classes, get the indicators, and I will see you guys in the next videos. God bless you guys, and I'll see you later. All right, bye-bye.